So let's breathe into that space. Let's breathe into the path of the mystic. We engage our meditation and our practice with this time of mindfulness. Allow yourself to hear the music and to let the sound bring you deeper. There is no place to go to get more God. If we could get that in every moment, that there is no big thing that I need to do. It's simply a shift in awareness, a shift in consciousness. Being intentional about being awake and aware. Sweet Spirit, show me everything that is in front of my eyes right here, right now. There is so much good that if we were to take it in each moment, we would be so divinely whelmed that the overwhelm would subside. So with a mighty inhale and a full exhale, we arrive here and now, allowing ourselves to relax mind, body, and soul, letting the body temple become so very still that we lean into the stillness. And as we lean into the stillness, the quiet mind follows the still body. And with a quiet mind, we enter into the silence of the soul and the living water of the divine. We bring our attention back to this sacred sanctuary of the heart, this time and place, this divine appointment, this spiritual community beyond walls, community of consciousness. Grateful for spending time in the silence together. Grateful for being a community of practice. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. I invite you to bring someone to mind that you know has their full serving of suffering, and dedicate that statement to them today. By the power of this practice, may all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And we bring to mind one who could use the message of God as love and themselves as expressions of that love. By the power of this practice, may all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. And let us hold that knowing and dedicate this moment of the practice to the religions of the world, that they may awaken to the true depth of the mystic in each teaching. In gratitude for the time and the life we've given, to this form of life we express. Namaste.